Sarah Bartok is here to tell us about our incredible e-bike from Gyrocopter. Welcome.
Thank you, Norm.
Nice
it's a pleasure.
Pleasure to meet you and pleasure to have you here.
Thank you.
Come on over here for a second.
Sure.
I love the look of this and the feel of this. Can you tell us a little bit in your own words about Gyrocopter, first of all?
Okay. Well, I think that they're unlike any other bike on the market because there are so many things that these bikes come with that other bikes don't. And not only that, it's a lower price point than other bikes that don't have the things that Gyrocopters do. So that's a real bonus. Like, why wouldn't you want to get more for less money,
Absolutely.
right? So it's such a deal. And as well, when we're going through TSE and the showstopper, an even better price for that. This one in particular is for adults. Okay, we're going to start with the adults, and then the rest of the ones we're going to be talking about today will have age ranges from 14 to 16 and to adults, of course.
Love it, first of all, the look of it.
Yeah.
Now, this is an e-bike, so that means there's a battery.
There is a battery. This one actually has a key that's attached to the battery, and you can remove the battery and take it with you and charge it at home. So that makes it really, really convenient for you to take it when you're going. And you know, you can do a charge in just a few hours, anywhere from 4 to 6 hours, depending on which bike you're having. But with this one, could be about 5 hours full charge.
Beautiful. Fat tires.
Fat tires, it makes it really, it's funny that you should say that because there's a reason why the tires are fat. And I'll tell you why. They're 27.5 around. Yeah. They're 3-inch and quite a lot of, look at all that grip right there, right? Because it helps you with traction, all terrain, so you can go on the beach, Norm, if you want. You can do it on a smooth surface. But you know what? You were saying so many people are doing e-bikes these days, and they're doing it year round. These ones can go in the snow. Not a problem at all.
Wow. How long can I ride this on a full charge?
5 hours, and you can go up to over 90 kilometers.
That's amazing.
Yeah, I know.
90 kilometers,
Yes.
90 kilometers on a full charge. I've never heard of that, by the way, in any bike, certainly that we've had here. I'm just saying, this is better and different than others. A great kickstand on the back here, soft padded seat.
Yes.
I like that.
Yeah.
I really
But do you
as
feel
I get older. Honestly.
But do you feel how sturdy it is? It really is a solid piece of material. And I'll tell you what, lowest return rates of e-bikes in the market.
Wow.
Because they're good quality.
Front brake, rear brake, you've got cruise control. Cruise control
That's
on
the
this.
highlight.
Isn't that great? And is there GPS technology, I understand?
Yeah, so
also?
this one has a beautiful screen at the top with the GPS screen, and it also has anti-theft. All of the Gyrocopter bikes have anti-theft for you, so if there's any issues, it follows it in real time with the Find My app on your phone. This will keep track of the speedometer, how long you've been going, battery charging. It keeps track of it for you, so you're not sort of cycling for ages and go, how much battery do I have left?
If you want a better e-bike experience, this is the one to get. It's Gyrocopter, and the item number for you is 752-568 at tsc.ca.